Hey Cubs. All right, today we're going to look at and practice how to open an assignment, do the assignment, and turn it in. This is very important since you're learning from home. So as you can see right now, I am logged in as my daughter, Josie, and we are on our class meet. Okay, so there's Mrs. Bailey's face. She's telling me it's work time. I need to go do an assignment she's told me to do. But I need to leave my meet up. So up at the top corner, I am not going to close the meet because I still need to hear my teacher's voice. So if I look over here on this tab, I can see it says classwork from Mrs. Bailey. That means that's my Google Classroom. If I click on the tab, it comes back to my Google Classroom screen where I logged in this morning. But wait a minute, I can still hear Mrs. Bailey, which means she's still on the meet. Do you see how I have two tabs at the top? So we're going to practice going back and forth. So if I click on this tab, I see my teacher's face again, Mrs. Bailey. But if I need to go to an assignment, I'm going to click on my classroom. Okay? Now, what if my classroom is not up and all I have is my meet? How do I get to my classroom? We are going to go to a plus sign, which means add a new tab. If I click on that plus sign, it says, sure, where do you want to go? Well, I want to go to my Google Classrooms, okay? So I would click on my Google Classrooms. Nope, here we go. Let's see. I can go to the waffle right here. Do you see the waffle? And I can click on the waffle and click on Google Classrooms right there behind my screen. So I've got my Google Classrooms pulling up. Now, Mrs. Bailey told me to go to an assignment. So how am I going to find an assignment? First, I have to click on her Google Classroom. It's thinking about it. Sometimes we have to wait a long time for this stuff to work. Here it is. So I'm going to click on my teacher's class and see if I can find an assignment. Remember, assignments are in classwork. So I'm going to click on classwork. And not the stream. The stream is where I log in. I'm going to click on classwork. And it's going to bring up all of my assignments. So once again, here it is for this week, and all my assignments are going to be listed there. But if my teacher says, come back, I want to show you something on my screen, I don't have to X out of my classwork. I can go back to this tab, click on it once, and now I'm back at my class meet. But if I'm ready to go start my assignment, I click back to the tab that says classwork. So I have two tabs open at the top. Okay, so you can leave your meet up and still hear your teacher's voice, and you can also click on the tab to go to your classwork.